Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to wrap a text in Visual Studio. And basically guys, before we get started to this tutorial, let's go ahead and show you how you can install Visual Studio first. So you just go ahead and open your browser, and from there you go to the URL section and you search for Visual Studio. So from here guys, you just have to go into the first website. So here we go, and then here you can just download it from here, download for Windows. So now guys, as you can see, I have it already opened in my PC. So basically what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click onto it, and here we go. So now let's say that you have a text that is really long. So in order for me to get a text, let me just go ahead and get it from here. So let's get, for example, text, and I will just drag, for example, this Wikipedia text into my Visual Studio. So here we go. And basically the wrapping text function, what it does exactly is pretty much simple. You just have to go to the text, and as you can see here, it is pretty much long and it's not showing fully in my screen. To serve this, I will have to select the whole text and then go to the search here, or click on Ctrl Q and search for wrap text. So here we go. And then you just have to click on wrap, and as you can see here, the text has been back to the space, and now I can see it in my screen without going any further. So I don't have to go further over there to see the whole text, but now it is shown in my screen. You can make it go back by doing the same thing, which is selecting it and then word wrap, and here we go. Of course, you can use the shortcut, which is Control E or Control W. So for example here, let's click on Control E, it will be back to the normal thing, or Control W, so it can change it back. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.